Hello everybody. In my last video I was covering context menu actions, but I forgot to mention one action that I will show this time. So if you didn't watch the last context menu actions video, please watch it also. I will put it as a link in the description, but I will go now to this video's topic. So here I have a systematic theology book which has Bible verses that are as links normally like this, but not all of the references are turned into links like you see here. Technical reason for that is that HTML that is in this EPUB file is having two different elements here, and AndBible doesn't even try to combine that as make it as a link. So what you can do is like this: you select the Bible verse, and then what you see here is that there is a new item in the context menu. So you can just tap that item and you will see that that Bible verse is open in the links window. So this is how you can work with this kind of documents, for example EPUB files that have not always perfectly functioning like this Bible references as a link, but still you can open them quickly to look up those Bible passages. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and as always I will put also a link to the description where you can support the AndBible project development financially. Thank you. Bye bye.